quantum computers work differently. Okay, quantum computers use two things, one called superposition and the other called entanglement. And I'll explain them very briefly. Have you heard of Schrodinger's cat? Okay, so Schrodinger's cat is a thought experiment that says there's a box, and inside the box is a cat. That's the reason you know that it's a thought experiment, because has anybody ever tried to squeeze a cat into a box? Okay, it's never going to work, so it's a thought experiment. A cat inside a box with a bottle of poison that has a 50-50 chance of breaking and killing the cat or staying intact, and the cat survives. Close the box. Is the cat alive or dead? We don't know, unless we open the box and look. So what Schrodinger's cat basically says is that we deal with the cat as if it was both alive and dead at the same time. Okay, that is called superposition, very simply. Okay, then the other thing is called entanglement, which is that two particles that come in contact with each other and form a bond or relationship, maintain that bond no matter where they are in time or space. They can move, they can be on opposite ends of the universe, that bond remains in place. So what you do to the one, the other one will respond to. Okay, now, what quantum computers have done is quantum computers have changed from bits to qubits. And so now, we have switches on our computer chips, and here's what happens is, it says that actually the switches aren't just open or closed, they are open and closed at the same time. Okay, whoa, I'm seeing some faces going, okay, but this is what it means. Basically, for the same number of switches on a chip, you're getting exponentially more computing power. Can you see that? And so what's happening is this thing about heat, this thing about running out of energy, this thing about running out of computing power is being taken care of by quantum computing. And by the way, we've just solved one of the riddles of the Bible. Do you know that? Noah's Ark was the first quantum computer, because God came to Noah and said, build an ark that's 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. And so Noah's Ark was the first quantum computer. And how do we know there was a quantum computer? Well, because we know that he must have used superposition, because we've always wondered, how did he get all those animals in? Well, they were in and not in at the same time. Okay, so this is a quantum computer. This is quantum computing. And so what we're seeing, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, can you see the way we're living in a world where the power of the digital age is beginning to increase exponentially? And when we bring that power into this space, wow.